The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, launched the Farmers' Collectivization for Upscaling Production and Marketing Systems, or FOCUS, for Samanda Block in East Garo Hills in the presence of the government's Chief Whip, Marcus Marak, on the 1st of September 2021. Launching the FOCUS program, a flagship initiative of the state government to provide market access and financial assistance to the Farmers' Collective Registered Producers Group, Conrad Sangma said that farmers in the state, who comprise about 70% of the population, will receive added benefits through the FOCUS program to supplement the various welfare schemes of the government that are in line with the state's vision for the agricultural sector. The program would assist in the upscale of farming and income-generating activities by providing farmers better market access. He informed that out of the rupees 200 crores that has been earmarked for the program, rupees 5,000 would be provided for each registered farmer under the FOCUS program. Conrad Sangma added that the Prime Hub, an incubation and mentoring center which is coming up across the state, would be providing training and technical know-how for value addition, processing and packaging. Checks were also handed to 35 producer groups from East Garo Hills on the same day.
Meghalaya state na North East Govt na naro India asong Govt na dengtang gadango responsibility ko rae kham ka biadang jakyot na dengtang responsibility ko rae bakma benefit rangko achni bandirang na bia utna Achika songgo achik jat ko biya the laha the double she. Unigaman talo bini kham na ko giskrana talo biya chipaksa jongjau ba bini mai buksumani dong achik aru dengtang bini chanchini rangko khamchi chusogatna talo ya government kham kainga aru ya psan buksumani on या साल को सेलेक्ट करेंगे या फोकस प्रोग्राम को सामंदा ब्लॉक बने सुमंगनी ईस्ट गारो हिल्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट लॉन्च करना आगे या साल को ठीक है पीए संबंधी कामरां को और बिको किसी करना करता या प्रोग्राम को लॉन्च करना डिसीजन पर आये तालो